Hi guys, Gina here and welcome back to my channel. So today I have a really fun video and this is actually sponsored by Target. So first off, you guys, I would not be able to do these types of videos without your support, because without you guys, Target would have no clue who I am. So thank you so much, Target, for working with me on this video. So I'm gonna share with you guys my capsule wardrobe for the fall, and everything you can get is from my favorite store of life, which is Target. So let's just go ahead and get into it. Capsule wardrobe is a collection of clothing that you can create multiple outfits with. So I'm gonna share with you guys 20 different pieces that you can create over 30 outfits with. So let's just go ahead and get into it. So the first item that I have to share with you guys is a t-shirt dress. So I love t-shirt dresses and I love neutrals. So the thing with capsule wardrobes is finding something that has a neutral base so that you can interchange different colored accessories and jackets and whatnot. So this is a pinstripe gray and white dress, and this is from A New Day, and this was $24.99. So this is something that you can wear for day. It's something you could wear for work. So having a nice staple dress is something that is key. Okay, so with the seasons changing, it brings some cooler temperatures. So I have a few jackets to share with you. So first one is a brown, cognac brown colored cargo jacket. And what I love about this is it's light and airy. So it's not super thick, so perfect for the transitional fall season. But what I love about this is the waist cinching detail that it has. So it's really going to help your shape, and which is great when you're adding in more layers to kind of give your figure some more shape. So I absolutely love that jacket. So the next jacket is just a basic denim jacket. You guys, you need to have this staple piece in your wardrobe because it's going to do so many things in your closet. You can turn a work outfit into a more casual outfit by just throwing on a denim jacket. You could put a t-shirt and leggings together and look a little bit more put together and a little more hip if you throw on a denim jacket. So love denim jackets for the fall. So next thing you want to have is a good pair of leggings. And I am 4 months postpartum and I still rock my maternity leggings and I have no problem doing so. So the fall calls for comfy and cozy clothes, and when I think fall, I immediately think leggings. So definitely get yourself a good pair of leggings. So now that we're still talking pants, you're going to want two basic pants. So you want to get a basic pair of black jeans, and you want to get yourself a basic pair of denim jeans. So these are the only two denim type pants that you really need in your wardrobe. You need one blue denim and you need one black denim. So now I'm going to share with you guys some tops that I found at Target. So this is from Universal Threads, and this top was $17.99, and it is a beautiful bright red short sleeve button down top, but then it has that cute little tie front, really on trend right now. I've seen shirts like this in the department store going for 3 times the amount, I'm telling you guys. And then I also found this top as well by Universal Threads, and it is the same concept, but it has longer sleeves. It's a longer sleeved button down shirt, but then it also has that tie front detail. So this is something that you absolutely could wear with leggings. Okay, so another top that I found is from Universal Threads again, and this was $10. So this is a tank top turtleneck, and it is in a black and white stripe, and I absolutely love black and white stripes pretty much all season, but I absolutely love it for the fall. So this is a staple piece that you can have in your wardrobe, and it's gonna last multiple seasons because black and white is such a classic color. Absolutely love black and white, especially paired with cognac brown and also green. So I picked that up. So the only thing that is not from Target that I'm gonna mention is actually from a local Etsy shop, and this is from Modern Mom on Etsy. So you always need a nice basic tee in your life. So I always go for something that's seasonal, and this one is my nightmare of a family, and she customized it. She made the mom, dad, and then the 3 kids and my puppies. So she made the Nightmare Before Christmas family and then customized it for my family. So you definitely need a nice t-shirt for those lazy days. So these t-shirts are for the days that you really don't feel like getting ready, but you kind of want to look put together. So you just throw on a really cute graphic tee, slap on some leggings, throw a sweater on, and throw on some sneakers and call it a day. So that's my go-to mom outfit for sure. Okay, so then you absolutely need some long sleeve button-down tees in your life. So I picked this one up from Universal Threads. It was $19.99 and it is a black and white, a buffalo checkered print pattern. And I saw this going at a department store for $70 and Target has it for $19.99. So that is a steal. And then having a basic chambray top is life. So you can wear this with black pants, you could wear it with leggings, you could wear it with a darker denim and do kind of like a denim on denim type deal, and it's absolutely beautiful. For the fall, you need some sort of cardigan. So I'm here in Southern California, so this is the basic cardigan that I would need. It's light and airy and it's from A New Day. And I absolutely loved the forest green color. I just think this is so pretty for fall. And like I was mentioning, pairing it with a black and white striped top like this is just so classic and beautiful. And something else that I didn't realize when I was picking my pieces out is that this would be such a cute little holiday outfit as well, pairing the red and the green together. So I'm definitely loving these staples that I have in my closet right now. Okay, so the next thing I have to share with you guys is this cute little cargo tote, and it is in an olive green, and I love all the zipper detail that it has. And it is a huge bag. I'm a mom, so I absolutely could use this as like a diaper bag. But I saw this on Madewell going for, I think it was $179.99, and Target had this for 40 bucks. So I love having a nice yet trendy little handbag to go with me for the fall season. So the next thing I'm going to share with you is a pencil skirt. So this is from A New Day. It was $19.99 and it is just a basic waistband pencil skirt, and I think that this is so key. A pencil skirt is a great item to have into your closet, especially if you work in an office and you need some sort of business casual attire. So that is perfect. And I also got this chain necklace. It was $9.99. It is from Universal Threads and it's just a basic gold detailed necklace. So this could be worn with all of the items that I shared with you guys, except for maybe the tee. You probably wouldn't want to wear this with the tee because it just would not go right. So now let's talk shoes. So I found these little booties, and these are by Universal Threads, and they were $24.99. So I'm loving booties for the fall. I really don't do the knee boots anymore, but check these out right here. So $24.99 for a cute and a fashionable pair of booties. Love them. So these were such a steal. So these were from Universal Threads. My store actually had them clearance for $17.48, and these are very Free People in stock. So these are inspired by Free People. So Free People has these going for over $150 on the Nordstrom website, and these were $17.48 on clearance. So these are so freaking cute. So I'm glad I got those. And then also some fun sneakers. So I found these by Mad Love. These are a cranberry wine colored sneaker. So I got the inspiration of these from the Burgundy Converse. But these were $27.99 versus $75. So the ones I saw in Nordstrom, they were $75. These were $27.99. So Target does a really good job at adding on-trend pieces for the fraction of the cost. I am so inspired by fashion, but I do have a small budget when it does come to fashion. So I love that Target offers us some budget-friendly alternatives, but inspired by really nice designers. So now I'm gonna go ahead and try on a few different pieces to share with you guys how you could actually work these outfits and create your own capsule wardrobe. And I'm gonna have everything linked below in the description box. So if you wanna go ahead and just shop this video, everything is gonna be in the description box below. So now let's go ahead and get into the try on haul. Okay, so this is the t-shirt dress right here, and I have it paired with these little booties right here. So you can use a staple of these booties with this t-shirt dress. So this is where the essentials of the capsule wardrobe comes into play. So you absolutely could wear the t-shirt dress just on its own, but you could also switch it up and throw on your jacket for one of your days. So this could be one outfit paired with this cognac jacket. You could wear the same shoes, the same necklace. But say, you know, you want to wear this outfit again, but you don't want to repeat the outfit. Now all you need to do is just change out the jacket, and it's a different outfit. It just has a different jacket. So you're not repeating the outfit over and over again. So now say, you know, you want to wear this again, but you don't want to again repeat the outfit. All you need to do is then just go, yes, to your capsule and throw on your cardigans. So this is how you're going to interchange your pieces in your capsule wardrobe to make multiple outfits of the same basics, if that makes sense. Okay, so now we are moving on to outfit idea number 2. So I'm pairing that tank top turtleneck with just some basic black pants, and I paired these little booties to go along with it, and this could just be a great California type fall outfit. But if you live somewhere that gets more chilly, then that's where these other, you know, layered basic pieces are gonna come into play. So you can add on your green cardigan, so it makes it a different outfit. Throw on your cargo jacket, and it just looks so cute, especially paired with the black pants and the boots to go with it, and the black and white shirts. So I think you guys are starting to get the idea of what capsule wardrobes are. And I love chambray tops because I can also add the chambray top into the mix. And the chambray top just kind of gives an extra layer, but it helps create a different outfit for the outfit, so can be worn together as well. So there's so many different combinations you guys can make just having staple pieces to create a capsule wardrobe like this. And then I can add a maroon shoe to this outfit to make it just a little bit more casual. Okay, and then don't be afraid to go in with some sort of vibrant color. So I picked this red top right here, and this is gonna work so well with just some black pants, just like the ones I've been wearing, and then pair it with some booties right here, and it just turns into a nice and fun little flirty outfit. So if you're a student, this is definitely a class type outfit you could wear. If you have a casual dress code at work, this is cute. If you want to get drinks with your friends, this is still super cute. I would definitely rock this type of outfit like in Vegas, because when I go to Vegas, I want to be super comfy. And then you could dress it up a little bit more if you want to throw on another layer. All you need to do is add a jacket. So you could go with your brown jacket, you could go with your denim jacket, and like I was mentioning, this would be so cute to pair for the holiday time. So this fall capsule wardrobe is actually going to go in through the Christmas season, and this just makes such a really pretty and elegant looking outfit. So check this out right here. I just think it looks super cute without being too bam Christmas time. So yes, I think this is super cute. So another outfit you could do is your little cross front flannel top. It's really light and airy. Pair it with either your black pants, or you can pair it with your blue denim. You can pair it with your leggings. You can mix and match your shoes. So you can go in with your booties, or you can even sport it with your cranberry sneakers right here, and it would make a really cute outfit to pair. So we're in a region of the country to where it does get cooler. You absolutely, yes, you can throw on your staple green sweater, just like that. And then it makes the outfit totally different. So just throwing on your sweater on top of it just makes the outfit a different outfit. So this is how you're going to be able to keep building different outfits with these staple pieces in your closet. The idea is to build as many outfits with your staple pieces in your wardrobe as possible by just interchanging, mixing and matching the different pieces that you have to continue to create more and more outfits. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like it so I know you have enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel, and remember, you can shop this video with the links below. Everything was purchased from Target, so you know it's going to be budget friendly, and I'll also leave that Etsy shop below because she did make that graphic tee that I shared in this video. So thank you so much, Target, for working with me on this video. It was so fun, and I cannot wait to do another video like this again. So I will talk to you guys all later. Bye.